Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple string phone and explain how it works. There are also worksheets that you can download. I'll put links in the description below. Let's get started. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Why don't you come on down to the beach? Hi. Okay, I'll come down in a few minutes. Okay, see you then. First, punch a hole in each cup. Not too big. And I'll use fishing line for the paper cups. Then I'll tie a knot, maybe a double or a triple, big enough so it doesn't come through the hole. Next, I'll use cans, tin cans, and for this I'll use a hammer and nail to poke the hole. And I'll use a heavier string, a nylon string. The knots have to be big so that you can pull it tight. So a double or triple and pull it tight. You can cut off any extra. It's not necessary. Make sure you get the amount of length that you want for the distance that you're going to use the phone. And take the paper labels off. I think it'll give more vibration to the diaphragm, more sound, better sound. So how does it work? The sound wave of my voice needs a medium to travel through: air, a solid, or water. Normal talking, the wave will travel through the air, but for my voice, it'll travel through a solid, the string. The wave will travel along the tightened string until it hits the diaphragm, the bottom of the cup. The diaphragm acts as both a microphone and a speaker to increase the sound wave.
In quantum field theory, most of what is going on in any physical situation is the empty space part of it. So even when you have a particle, is surrounded by
I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe if you did. See you next time.